How to verify your Discord account. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly talk about what account verification is. When you verify a Discord account, you're confirming that the email address you used to sign up is yours. This adds a layer of security to your account and unlocks some important features like full access to all of Discord's features, and the ability to join servers. First things first, open your Discord account and go to Settings. Under Settings, find My Account. There, you can find the option that says Email and Phone Number. You need to enter your email address and enter your code to verify that the email is yours. After verifying your email address, you can also add phone verification, which can be added by adding the number, and the number will send you a code via SMS. Enter the code and your phone will be successfully linked to your account. This gives you an extra layer of protection. And that's it. You've successfully verified your Discord account.